Hello again guys, it's Zigzag Magic Man. I'm going to be showing you a card trick today, and I'll post a tutorial on another video. So, here we go. So this is my own original card effect, so we're going to use the jokers for help, okay? So I'm just going to riffle through the deck, and I want you to tell me when to stop. Stop right there. Okay, this will be your card, the 7 of hearts, okay? Now I'll just place one joker on top, and the other joker on top. To show you, we have 1, 2 jokers. Place it somewhere in the deck. Lost. Give it another cut. Shake. So it's somewhere here, right there. And there's a card between them, and it is the 7 of hearts. You guys probably thought about it already. Well, that's just the first section. So I'll just take the 7 of hearts, place it right there on top, and take one joker, place it in the bottom, and the other joker on top. So now we have your card outjog. I'll just move the joker forward and back down, and just give it a shake and snap my fingers. Well, can you hear that? There you go. Snap my fingers, and that outjog card changed to the Queen of Clubs. Just to show you that your card has disappeared between the jokers. Place it in the deck, give it a little cut, give it a shake, and there it is, a card between the jokers. And that card is the 7 of hearts. So yeah, this is my own card trick. Also, I have a contest going on right now, so go down to the link and it will be right there. So yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.